see, chapter wise we are going to revise. Yes. So from the second term, we are going to start our revision. First, in short, we are going to learn of what are the main important points in the chapter. And then we are going to have a objective type uh, test. Okay. So today we'll learn about chapter number 11, transport and communication. Yes. So let's begin now. Yes, here is our chapter 11, transport and communication. In this as already we have learned this chapter, but as a revision we are going to go through all the main points what we have studied. Yes, in this chapter we have learned importance of transportation. Yes, what are the different modes, what are the different modes of transport. Yes, different means of communication. Yes, first we have studied about the transport, and then we studied about the communication. Yes, transport and means of communication, it is very much important for the development of the country. Yes, we can say that if the transportation network is good, example roadways, airways, railways, in the same way we can also say that the communication network is also good over there. And here we can say the development of a country is going on developing. Yes, and then here hmm, then like learning objectives, there are some objectives in this chapter we have to go through it, that we are going to understand the changes in values and awareness regarding the environment and places effects in individual behaviors. Also we are going to see the what are the factors to be considered for the transportation. Yes, and then what are the means of communication as well as advantage and disadvantages. What is remote sensing? All these are the points we are going to go through today from this chapter. Now here on your screen you can see there are the few points, few questions are there. We have given some specific condition. In this context, tell with reason which means of transport and route will you take. Now see, there are some conditions they have given here. Students, read the question properly. Yes, here I'll ask you all to unmute your mic, and then you will give the answer. First condition is we have to reach Bhopal from Nagpur due to some emergency. Now here first condition they have given. Now here you have to tell me which mode of transport you are going to use. You want to reach Bhopal from Nagpur due to some emergency. Which mode of transport you will use? Here you have to think about your financial condition plus time also. So which student would like to give the answer for this? Yes, two students have raised their hand. Kashif and Sakshi.
Miss, by
Ravi.
arrow.
Yes, yes. See the question. Yes. Which mode of transport you will take here to reach Bhopal from Nagpur?
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane.
Because
Yes.
emergency.
Because there is an emergency. Good. Next one, you have to reach Kanyakumari carrying a message of cleanliness. There is no time limit here. Here you just have to pass the message of cleanliness and no emergency. No, there is no time limit. So here which mode of transport, and you have to pass the message about cleanliness. So which,
Miss, we can take any transport route because there is no time limit for it,
yes,
like
yes. We have to
bikes,
take
like
roadways only, but through cycle, through bicycle, we are going to travel because we want to pass the message of cleanliness. Correct. Roadways. Next is we have to go to Singapore from village town. You have 10 days to do the same. Then for this one, two ways can be there in this condition. For third one,
yes, Miss, railways and airways.
airways. Yes, airways and waterways. Next, last one, send the Alfonso mangoes from Konkan to Arab countries. This one, here also says
Airway, planes.
airways or waterways. We can use with this two mode of transport and we can complete our work. So in this question, in this activity, what we have studied, as we have to complete the condition, but we have to think about our factors also. We have to see the cost, time, duration, distance. These are the factors of transportation we have to think, and then we have to complete our condition. Yes. Then next it is about the transportation. What is transportation?
Transportation is the movement of humans, animals, and goods from one location to other.
Yes, yes. Good. You have in a single meaning you have defined the transportation. Good one. Now here, 1 minute. Yes, good, Sakshi. Now let's revise. Then I'll ask you all to unmute your mic and then I'll ask you the questions. Good, keep it up. Now please, Sakshi, mute your mic. Some background. Thank you, Sakshi. First important main point in this chapter is about the transportation. Yes, you must have realized that while traveling or transporting goods, we have to consider many things. Yes, with this activity, we have realized that when we are traveling, we have to consider many points. That are the factors we have to consider. If there are many ways and means of transport available, then we can think about those alternatives. Yes, if one mode of transport is not available in that particular route, we can use other ways also. Yes, then there are roadways, railways, waterways, airways, and pipelines by which transportation can be done. All the four ways mode of transport is very much familiar with yes, all the students. But here the fifth mode of transport is about the pipelines. Mode of transport is pipeline. Example, see, petrol. By using pipelines, we are sending petrol or diesel, kerosene from one place to other. So the pipeline are also one of the important mode of transport. So we have to consider pipelines also as a mode of transport. So total 5 mode of transports are there: roadways, railways, waterways, airways, and pipelines. I request all the students to listen carefully. At the end of the lesson, we are going to have an interaction in between us. Okay. Then, yes, these are the factors to be considered while we are using route or we are using means of transport. So these are the first: physiography, routes and means, market, climate, products, time, cost, duration, distance. Yes, when we have studied one by one, each factor we have studied in detail. But now in short, I'm going to explain you how these factors are affecting the modes of transport. Physiography means what? Physiography means physical conditions. It means in that particular area, how the physical condition of that area it is. Example, land, mountains, rivers, desert, snowfall, yes, etc. So these are the physiography means the physical condition of that area, of that particular area. We can consider the climate also of that. Climate is already there, one of the factor. Physiography means about the land, mountains, rivers, desert, snowfall. Okay, this is the physical condition, that is physiography. Next is routes and means. Here, what are the means of communication? Routes, which route is available. Example we can see through the Google map, various routes, roads are being showing. Yes, it's showing 2-3 routes they are showing, but many are optional also. So that whichever road we are choosing in that time, that is the routes and means. For that route, which means of transport is available, that we have to see. Then next is about the market. Is there proper market is available in that area or not? Yes, in urban countries, goods are brought to the cities. In urban area, the transportation network is good in the city. Yes, but as compared to the in rural areas, in village areas, the market facilities are very less as compared to the urban areas. Next is about climate. Climate means what? Here, climate means what is the climate of the region related to the physiography. This first and climate, these two are interdependent on each other. Example, in Maharashtra, we can say different types of climates are there. Yes. Then here in Kashmir, the temperature is low, the snowfall. There is a snowfall over there. Different vehicles are used to travel in Kashmir. Yes, these are the climatic condition, it keeps on changing. Yes, there is. Then next is about the products. What are the products we are sending? It is very important. Example, if we want to send the vegetables, that I have to send uh, if I'm sending the vegetables within 2-3 days, that vegetable should be reach to that particular place, because that product is based on daily uses. Yes, on daily basis. So these are the things we have to keep it in our mind about the transportation. Then is time. How much time it requires to go there, to reach that product, that we have to decide. Next is cost. Next factor is about the cost. Here, the money of the how much money will require to travel, which mode of transport we will easily use. We have to think about our financial condition, that is the cost of that mode of transport. Then that is duration. Duration and time, it's one and the same. Okay. And about the distance. Yes, if if we choose airways, so within a time, within a less time we will reach to our destination. But here we have to think about the financial condition also. Okay, so these are the factors to be considered for transportation. If in your during exam also, please explain the factors which are considered for transportation. So You are point wise, you are going to explain each and everything with example for your in your exam. Okay, first you will write physiography first point, then explain that concept with example, then go for the next point, that is roots and means. Like this, cover all the points till distance. Okay, so this answer can come for answer in brief. Yes, long answer type. So be ready for it. Okay, then next point was about, yes, there are some important points about the transport. Time and money is saved during the journey for transport. Traveling becomes comfortable. Now, all these are the advantages of transport. Okay. Transport is done without any damage to the goods. We are taking care of whatever we are transporting. We are taking care of that proper. We are taking care of that goods that shouldn't damage. Then the selling price to be paid by the customer is not decided by the cost of production only. It is decided by the transport cost and the production cost. Then the transport freight should be done rapidly and safely. What is freight? Freight means what? Freight means the goods are transported in a bulk. Yes, by truck, by train or a ship. Freight means goods transported in a bulk. Example, truck, train and ship. Then the price of the good can be kept low if the transportation is affordable. These all points is related about the transportation and with advantages. Then transportation is a basic infrastructure. Development of transportation infrastructure is an indicator of the development of the country of that region. The reforms in transport sector enhance the dynamicity of freight and passengers in a region. Also, industries and markets are developed. Here they have explained about the transportation, importance of transportation. If the development of transportation and its infrastructure, it is an indicator for the development of our country or that particular region. Okay. More points we are going to see about the importance. See here. Here they have point wise they have given here about the importance of transport. First is see extending trade and network, rapid industrialization, availability of employment opportunities, regional connectivity, utility of the sites, overcoming scarcity and deficit. Here deficit, scarcity, overcoming scarcity, in bracket it is written deficit, means a less. It means the meaning is less. Okay. Decreasing regional imbalance, tourism development. These are all are the importance of transportation. Yes. Next is about the communication. First part about the transportation, it is completed. Next is about communication. What is communication? Communication is like transportation. Communication is also a basic infrastructure. Yes, it is same like transportation. Communication is both are same. Both are basic infrastructure. Here, communication or exchange of information is an important process in today's era. Yes. In today's modern age, man-made satellites are an important and effective means of communication. The exchange of messages through mobile, watching programs on TVs, getting updated information regarding climatic condition, etc., is possible simultaneously through the man-made satellites. Yes, in this, with through this satellites, the satellites which are man-made, through these satellites we can easily exchange our messages through mobiles. We can watch televisions, we can see the updated information regarding climatic conditions also. We can have news also, we can see the latest news also through this means of communication. Then here, next is about the very important word in this chapter, that is remote sensing. Yes, remote sensing means what here? Remote sensing means here satellites images obtained by remote sensing facilitate study of resources on Earth's surface and help in regional planning. Now, the image you can see one on your screen, it is explains about the remote sensing. Remote sensing is the science of obtaining information about objects or areas from a distance, typically from aircraft or satellites. So through this uh, remote sensing, uh, we can detect, it is a process of detecting and monitoring the physical characteristics of an area by measuring its reflected and emitted radiations at a distance. So there are some special cameras can collected remotely sensed images which help researchers sense things about the earth. For example, here, the cameras which are there on the satellites can be used to make the images of temperature changes in the oceans. So, in short, we can say remote means what? It means that which is not exactly in contact or physical contact, which is far away. Yes, the remote which we are using when we are watching television. And here sensing means what, you're getting information or data, getting any input, could be temperature, photography, etc. This is known as the sensing. This is the new point we can say, or the new concept in this chapter about the remote sensing. Then here, now what are the means of communication? Yes, in this age of internet and social media, everyone needs to use this system. The government of India is incentivizing the use of online trading, payments, money transfer, etc. Many apps, many applications which can be used on mobile phones have been developed. For example, they have given here Beam app, SBI Anywhere, etc. Through these communicational facilities, we can pay various bills, we can sell, we can buy, we can carry out other such other transactions easily. We can carry out through this latest app. Now, in this word, you can see the word which is underlined here. Insensitivizing means to make someone want to do something. To make someone want to do something. It is the meaning of insensitivizing. Okay. Then for with this online apps, we no need to go to bank, and we no need to transfer the money. With these apps, we can easily transfer our bills, we can transfer the money, and we can complete our work through this means of online means of communication. Okay. Then Next, communication facilities have now developed on a very large scale. This is not just limited to talking on telephones or sending messages, but also video calling is also available. Similarly, through video conference, we can talk to many people at a time. Yes, this is the good example we are uh, we are using in our day-to-day life, students. Yes, here we can see the number of students have joined to our lecture. Yes, statewide lecture. At a time, we are in contact with the 300 or 300 and above students. So these are the communication facilities which are developing on a very large scale. Yes, then now here these communication points, these are the disadvantages of it. Okay, see here, besides the among facilities, means of communication have a few threats associates with them. Okay, what are the threats we are going to see we are going to see to it. Threats mean it's like a warning. There are some warning. We have to stay alert when we are using the latest modes of communication. Yes, what are the warnings? We are going to see to it. See, many crimes are happening through internet, like website, email hacking, fraud, threat, attacks, war, terrorism. All these we have to, when we are transferring the money, we have to go through all the uh, instructions which are the bank is providing. So this type of crime will not happen. Possibilities of threats like theft of information, economic frauds, attacking important website, etc. can arise. Therefore, one should take precaution while using social networks. We should not reveal our information before ensuring safety. We should not put any sensitive information or any personal information on social networking sites also, or we or blocks, etc. These attacks are happening in between various countries. Then this will give you an idea of cyber wars happening in the world of internet. So these are the threats and warning. We have to keep it in our mind when we are using uh, online modes of transport. Yes, we have to take care when we are using such apps or any other social networking sites. Then now here we have done the revision of this chapter about transport and communication. Main points we have learned. Now let's move on to the test session, that is evaluation part. Yes, see the first one. Yes, first question is about identify the relation and match the columns making a chain. Here they have given you group A, B and C. Group A, in group A, the postal services first question number 1 is given. Group B, you have to write the answer over there. And group C, here you have to you have to make a chain by putting the right answer from the bracket in the group A. In the bracket, they have given you the options. See here, roadways, world network of connected computers, means of communication, railways. So first and last they have given, you have to complete the middle part and then the chain is completed. Yes, first one is postal services, and in the group C they have written speed post. So which, see the bracket, see the bracket properly. Answers options are given over there, and then you can answer. Okay, Yes, already the students have raised their hand. Those who want to answer, please raise up your hand. Ritesh.
Ma'am, answer is railway.
Yes, Ritesh, you can unmute your mic, read the question properly, and then answer the question. Okay. First and last they have given. You have to complete the chain properly. Railways, it is not the correct answer for the first one. Yes. Okay. Yes, Sajda, na?
Roadways.
1 minute. 1 minute, wait. I will share the question with you all. See here. Group A, postal service. Yes. And in group B, which will be there? And group C is speed post. Answer is what? One minute.
Ma'am, postal services, conventional means of communication and speed post.
1 minute. Yes, postal services.
Conventional means of communication and
Yes.
speed post.
Yes, correct. This is the correct chain. She has answered the correct answer. Postal services, means of communication and speed post. Then next is about Shivneri. Now Shivneri, it's a
Roadways, comfortable journey.
Very comfortable journey.
Shivneri, sorry, what you said, huh?
Ma'am, roadways, comfortable journey.
Shivneri, roadways and comfortable journey. Correct. Internet, this is done. Roadways is done and means of communication is done. Next is internet.
World network of connected computers.
And exchange.
Exchange of information.
Yes, this is also correct. So let's cut out the options. Last is Roro transport.
Railways, energy time
Energy
and
time
labor saving.
saving. Very good. So all options are the correct one. If you will write the now in exam, how you are going to write? You're going to draw the table in the same way, and you're going to write the answer in this group B and underline it properly so that it will see the correct chain is mentioned over there. In this way, you have in this way, if you write the answer, you will get the correct all the 4 marks over there. Then next is complete the following statements by using the appropriate alternatives from those given in the bracket. See now the four questions are there. You're going to you're not going to answer me in only one word. Full sentence you are going to answer me the question. Okay. See the first one here. Dash is the fastest route of transport.
West is the fastest route of transport.
Yes. Airways is the fastest route of transport. Only one child is given the answer. Other students also. See, I've given you chance. I've asked you all to unmute also. Priyanshu is there, then Ritesh is there, Nikita. Your mics are unmute. You can answer. Okay. I can see there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. See here. First one, dash is the fastest route of transport. Yes.
Airway is the fastest route of transport.
Very good. What's your name? Ritesh, na?
Nikita.
Yes, your answer is correct. Airways is the fastest
Route of transport.
Very good. So your answer is airways. You're going to underline it properly. Then next is second one. Second, please mute your mic. Dash are the most suitable route transport perishable goods.
Airway are the most suitable route to transport perishable goods.
Very good. This second also answer is airways.
Alright.
You're going
Airways.
to underline the answer properly. Last one, number 3.
Roadway is the cheapest mode of transport.
Waterways
Waterway is the cheapest.
is the cheapest mode of transport.
Waterways is the cheapest mode of transport. So in this way, write the answer properly in full sentence. Underline the answer also. Okay? Write the answer. You will get 3 marks over there. Next one. Okay. Mic is on. Yes. Next question number 3 is again about the match the columns. Green corridor, road transport and communication. All 3 questions are there and options are also there, A, B, C. Yes. For green transport, green corridor, what will be the answer?
Transport of organs.
Yes, very good. Transport of organs, it goes with the green corridor. So here you are going to write the answer. I'll just put this C over there. But during exam, you're going to write the full sentence over there. Transport of organs. Okay. First one done. Second. Road transport.
Konkan Railway.
Konkan Railways. Correct. This is A1. Then communication, last is
Artificial satellites.
artificial satellites. Correct. So all this were about the objective type questions which we have done as a revision along with the chapter also. Then next I would like to ask you all. Next, I would like to ask you all about what are the factors to be considered for transportation. Yes.
Geography,
In cost,
Climate.
time, products, climate,
time, duration, distance,
physiography, roads and means.
market,
Market. Yes.
Climate,
Climate. Correct.
Products, time,
Product, time,
cost,
cost,
duration,
distance,
duration, distance.
Physiography.
No, so physiography.
geography.
Physiography. Yes, correct. All these are the factors we should keep it in our mind when we are doing the transportation. Okay. Then next, can you tell me any 4 importance of transportation? Any 4 important points about important?
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question again?
Importance of transportation. Or you can tell me the advantages of transportation, any 4 points. What are the advantages of transportation?
Miss traveling becomes comfortable.
Yes, traveling becomes comfortable, correct.
Rapid
Then,
industrialization,
yes,
Transport is
industrialization is correct. Rapid industrialization, good. Then,
transport is without
utility of sites,
yes, we can see there is a number of sites. We can see there utility of sites, correct. Then one more.
Tourism
tourism
development.
development,
Yes, correct. Tourism development. So these are the, we can say, the importance of transportation, or we can add this point in our advantages of transportation also. Yes. Then next, the last question here. Can you explain me what is communication in as an answer in one sentence for
Yes,
1 mark?
Communication is
communication is the
basic
exchange of
infrastructure.
information, ideas, and message by speaking, writing, or some other medium.
Yes,
May I-
communication or
Communication.
exchange of information through this. Yes, correct. So she gave the one. Any other student want to
Yes,
try?
Miss, may I? Communication is a
Yes.
process or system of exchanging information.
It is a process or a system of exchanging process. Good. This type of answer you are going to write it as 1 mark. 1 marks answer in one sentence. Okay. Good. Since you are giving right answers, and you're going to, I know you're going to write the answers in this way only, as I have explained. Okay. So here, next. Now, yes. Now, what are what warnings or what kind of precautions we will take while using this online apps?
Miss, we should not reveal our personal information on the social media.
Yes, correct. We should not reveal any our personal information on the social networking site. And second, we are doing online, we are transferring our money, or we are paying the bills. Then for that also, what uh, precautions we are going to take?
We should
Yes.
not reveal our information before ensuring safety.
Yes, we should not correct one. We should not ensure any information to other person.
Before ensuring safety.
And we should not put any sensitive information or personal information on social networking sites.
Yes, this is also the correct one. So all these are the points we should keep in our mind, while we should keep it as a warning with us about the when we are using means of communication. Okay. So here I would like to thank you, students, for quite for listening, for understanding the lesson, and for giving me an excellent answers. Yes, here I consider that chapter 11, I hope you have understood it very well. Yes, go through the chapter, go through all the question answers, and keep on learning. Okay, students? Okay. So, thank you, students. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow with the next chapter with revision and test also. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Supriya, ma'am. Hello.